Epidermal tissue is a protective layer to avoid invasion of microorganisms and mechanical injuries. First, stratified squamous epidermal tissue mitotically active, pushing older upper epidermal cells outward to form stratum corneum. Stratum corneum further keratinized to form dead skin cells which clog skin pores. The face looked dull, unable to absorb moisturizer efficiently, ingrown hairs, wrinkles, and acne. Thus, face scrubs are used to remove dead skin cells. Cosmetics in the market are harmful to our health because they contain mercury, synthetic fragrance, microbeads, and preservatives. Mercury are absorbed through ingestion, inhalation, dermal absorption, or injection into body. It is distributed to all tissues and causes systemic toxicity, nervous system, and kidney damage. It can also cause polyneuropathy syndrome, meaning the damage of peripheral nerves, which are sensory and motor neurons. Next, it can also cause mitochondrial dysfunction and direct DNA damage. In terms of synthetic fragrance, the presence of phthalate can lower sperm count and thyroid hormone levels in men. It can also poorly impact reproductive system development in baby boys. Prenatal exposure can disturb brain development in newborns, disturb the endocrine system, and may cause pregnancy loss in women. Next is microbeads. Plastic microbeads can scratch the cornea. Micro tears on face causes skin vulnerable to bacteria and pollutants which lead to aging and dark spots. Microplastic that imitate estrogen can interrupt endocrine system. Small diameter microbeads are discharged into sewage system and to the ocean. They are then mistaken as food by sea creatures. Preservatives, which is parabens, retard growth of microorganisms to increase shelf life of products. However, parabens can cause breast cancer, allergic reactions, affect reproductive health, and disturb endocrine in the body. The objectives are to use alternative and natural ingredients in producing face scrub. Next, to investigate the exfoliate efficiency of natural aloe vera granulated sugar lemon face scrub. Tools and materials include 2 tablespoons of natural aloe vera gel and granulated sugar, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon, 1 glass container, knife, and chopping board. The skin is dull due to clogged pore and acne problem. Dark spot and scars form is obvious. After applying the aloe vera granulated sugar lemon face scrub, skin appears brighter, dark spots and scars are faded, skin is also firm and looks young. Granulated sugar is a natural physical and chemical exfoliant. Consisting of glycolic acid AHA, only the outermost layer of dead epidermis can be cleared and vulnerable young epidermal cells underneath are not affected. Abrasive and rough surface clear softens stratum corneum directly for skin to appear bright and rejuvenated. It is humectant and attract water molecules to newly exfoliated skin to supply moisture and hydrate epidermis. Granulated sugar increase in skin thickness and papillary dermal changes with no inflammation. Tiny glycolic acid penetrate into epidermis to encourage production of new collagen fiber. It fades wrinkles, enhances skin structure, and reversal of photoaging. Amino acids in aloe vera soften keratinized skin cells and assist in exfoliation. Aloe vera polysaccharides also speed up wound closure. Next, aloe stimulate dermal fibroblasts that produce collagen and elastic fibers for skin to be more elastic and less wrinkled. Aloisin and aloe vera also inhibit hyperpigmentation of skin and heal sunburn. Aloin and aloisin are natural depigmenting compounds to lighten skin color. Citric acid in lemon juice break the bonds among dead skin and exfoliate stratum corneum chemically. The skin are softer, smoother, and unclogged to absorb moisturizer better. Ascorbic acid in lemon juice prevents skin damage caused by UV radiation, depigmentation of spots on epidermis, and brightens skin tone. As a conclusion, the homemade natural aloe vera granulated sugar lemon face scrub is an effective yet gentle exfoliant. It is also nourishing, moisturizing, anti-aging, safe to be used, and eco-friendly when compared with the present products. That's all from us. Thank you.